its second part of stream, where I will talk about the example of stream that we have seen before. Here I have interface people with no method. I have a class employee which implements this interface, and here I have integer, string, and a list of company, where company has company name and company ID, corresponding constructor and a getter and setter. If I come to employee, I have corresponding constructor and corresponding getter and setter. Nothing special here. But why I have taken this example? To explain the example of stream, I should take a real life example or task which we do daily in our projects. Let me come to my main. It's public static void main. I have created some data here. First, I have created 3 objects of company, where I have company name and company ID. Then I create a list, which is a linked list type, and added company in this list. Why I have added this company as a list? Because in employee, I have taken list of company. That is, one employee with one employee ID can work in multiple companies. Okay, so I have added this company in a list. I have created a list around it. Correspondingly, I have created employee objects. This is my employee constructor. Here I have employee ID. Here I have employee name, and here I have passed company list. In this company list, I have these 2 companies, C1 and C3. Similarly, if you will go down, you will have this employee, Mehul V Singh, company list 2. In company list 2, I have C2 and C3. In company list 3, I have all the 3 companies, and in company list 4, in company list 4, I have only one company. Now, I have Arun Singh here. I have Arunesh Singh here. Now I have Arun Shah here. That is 3 times I have Arun here. Okay, it is Arunesh, starting with Arun. Here I have Singh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me put some code over it. Now I have this employee ID. Again, I have added this employee in my employee list. This is again a list about it. Now let's see. Here is my first example on screen. What I am doing here, what employee list I have created above, I am first creating it into string. Okay. Then I am putting some filter function about it, from this dot to this. Filter is nothing, just an if condition. And then if it is equal to Arun Singh, then do a count of it. Okay, very simple, no issue. Let me break this statement for you first. I'm going very simple way. This is my employee list dot stream. Okay. Now I have done some filtering about it. What is this filter says? This filter says if whatever input that is this list is giving me a stream of this one list at a time, what I have added here. So I will get employee 10, employee 9, employee 10 from order in which I have added. Now I will have x dot get ename. What is this x here? Let me show you again back. X dot. This x is an object. What we have added here, this is an object of employee. You can have get set name, set number, ename, get number, Let me have get number. Now, since filter is an if condition, so x dot get number doesn't help any much. So let's get into boolean something. Now, if I make two equal, it will not help. It will I will take two equals. Yes, it will convert into boolean. Let me convert into boolean. If this is equal to 78, it would be fine, and you have to do a count about it. Here I am doing if x dot get name dot equals Arun Singh, then go and do a count of it. Okay, let me delete this, save this, let me once run this for you. Expected point. It gives me one. In all my list, I have only one name with Arun Singh. Okay. Other names, if you will see, there is only one match to Arun Singh here. There is no other Arun Singh here. Any name that you are getting double? No. There is Mehul V Singh and there is Mehul Singh here. Okay. Let me go down. Now let me comment this check. Now let me go here and decomment this part. What I am doing here again I have this employee list. I am streaming this and putting the same filter method here. But after filter method, I am not counting it. I have put it a for each here, which is not an intermediate operation. It is a terminal operation which will bring the result from there. What I am doing here, after filtering this x dot get name, if it is equal to Arun Singh, it is passing that same object to me here for each. I am getting the same object. What is I am getting after filtering this object, if x dot x get name dot equal to Arun Singh, then the after which will pass into this condition will come into y. Okay, let me run this. And yes, it is Arun Singh. It is a single object only. Answer is 1, and here I am getting Arun Singh 101. Okay. Now let me go down and let me decomment this back. Here I have employee stream filter. I am getting x is Arun Singh. What is this? Is Arun Singh. Whatever I have doing in this method here, and where I am passing x dot get name dot equals Arun Singh, I have converted it into a lambda function here. Let's see. Because I am getting employee as an object here x, and I am just doing x dot get name dot equals Arun Singh, and I am returning a boolean from here. This is a boolean method which is doing the same thing, x dot get name equals to Arun Singh. Okay, I am back here, and whatever I am doing here, x dot get name dot equals Arun Singh, I am doing the same thing by this method here. I am passing this expression directly as an parameter to a method, and this is the beauty of lambda expression. I repeat it. I am passing this whole expression as a parameter to a method. Now I am just going back and doing the same thing, y dot get name and y dot get name. The answer should be, this should be repeat again. And yes, it's repeated. Now let me come down. Here I have some more example. Let me comment this back for you. What I have here, let's find the even and then divide it by 2. What is here? Basically, I have something like collectors.list and I have something here as collector. Cannot resolve symbol collector here. Why? What happens here? Let me do this and let me check. Let me import this class. Yes, I have imported this class. Now it is fine. And what is this? It is again a list here of 11, 12, 13, 14. Now what I am doing? I am doing num.stream here. And what I am doing? I am doing a filter on all the numbers that I am getting here as n. I am n modulus 2 equal to 2. If this number is an even number, then what you need to do? Then you are performing some action above it. If this number is an even number, divide m by 2. Okay. And then collect it in a collectors.toList. Then collect that output in a list and put it back to collector1 and just print out this. Let me run this for you. See, I have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 21, 24, 22. In this, what all numbers are even? This is the first even number. And divide it by 2, I will get 1. 1 is my. Another even number is 14. Divided it by 2, it would be 7. My another even number is 24. Divided by 2 is 12. And last is 1. Let me do this same for 3. Any number which will get divided by 3 here. Let's see. Yes, I have. What is the number which will get n modulus 3 double equals to 0? Can 11 be the number? No, because 11 4 12, 11 13 no, 14 no, but yes for 15. 5 3s are 15 equals to 0 and 5 3s are 15. So if this is the number 15, I am dividing that number by 2. And now m is of same type as of n. So if we divide 15 by 2, it is 7.5 and I am getting 7 here. Similarly for 21, yes, 7 3s are 21. Divide 21 by 2, it's 10.5. I am getting 10 here. And similarly for 24. If I don't do this mapping, what will happen? I am just doing some if condition, and within that if condition, I am not doing anything about that thing which get passed after the filter. This what I am collecting after this operation and putting it into the collect one. Fine. Let me comment this. Let me come back here. This is my another example. This what it says. I have collector one employee stream. Now I have employee object or get name. If it ends with sing, okay. If my employee dot get name ends with sing, then get number of that employee, convert into toString and plus underscore 00 after it, then again plus minus sign and m dot get name. Okay. Then collect this result in a collector and put it into a collect one. So all the names which will end with sing. Let's go up and see. There are lots of names which are ending with sing. Arun Singh, Mehul Singh, then Arunesh Singh, then Ravinder Singh, then Farab Singh. There are lots of names here. Okay, let me go and run this for you. And you will see there are lots of names here. 101 Arun Singh, 102 Mehul Singh, 102 Mehul Singh, then Arunesh Singh, and same for Ravinder Singh. So we have put it something that ends with, and we are doing. Let me change with Shah here. Let me run this back. And there is only one name, Arun Shah and Arun Shah. Why I am getting this 2 times? Can anyone tell me? Let's see why I am getting this 2 times. Let me go above and see what I am doing. I have this Arun Shah in employee 10. Definitely in this employee list, I would be adding it twice. This is employee 10. Again, this is employee 10. So I'm adding it 2 times in my employee list, and that's why I'm getting it 2 times. That is the reason that I have shown you this example. Now, let me comment this back. Check multiplicity. What it is doing? It is employee list.stream. Now I have filter something, then I find first, and if is present, then collect this. What it is, I am getting employee object.getName. If it's end with Singh Sahib, then find first. Let me do this like this, because there are lots of names with Singh. Find first only. Yes, find first. Is present. Is present is a Boolean function that will return true or false. If I remove this, let's see what will happen. Find first. It is giving me error. It is saying you have java.util.optional string employee and you are putting it in a Boolean. So let me, what I will do, I will convert this Boolean to like this. String here. Let's see what it will do. Still I am getting error. Why? Now I have java.util.list and java.util.optional is found. Let me ask compiler to fix this. Change variable collect one to this, and you will see I am getting this optional employee collect. Okay, now let me go and run this for you. It is giving me some object here. Let me go back here. Collect one dot is present map to string flat map. Okay, this optional has something with employee. So can I cast it? Let me go and do this for you. If I do this, then what will happen? Dot get init. I'm getting some compile time error here. Inconvertible type cannot cast java.util operational stream to stream list of project.stream. It is an operational stream and you cannot cast into stream list of project.employee. So we are doing something wrong here. Okay. Now remove this. Bring this collect one back here. Dot. It is stream to string equals if present hash code. Let me remove this and let's see all the methods of it. Equal flat map. Get. What is after get? And I'm getting get name here. Let me go check. And it's Arun Singh. So what is the first employee which whose names end with Singh is Arun Singh. Why it is optional? Might be you don't get something like this. Now what will happen? Any compile time error? No. Any runtime exception? Let's see. It's a runtime exception. Why? Because there is no element with sing1, and that means collect1 would be something null or something where no value is present, and I'm getting this get name from it. That's why I'm getting a runtime exception about it. So before printing this, I think I'm missing something. What I should before printing this? If collect dot is present, then you need to do this. Else empty list, or let me give it no match. Let me run this back, and no exception. I'm able to handle that. Fine. Let me go to another example. What another example says? Let me take this in another video. My video is getting large here. Let's take it in another video.